Wonderful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home in Whitehouse ISD. Located in Quail Run, this home is perfect for any buyer. The open floor plan with wood-burning fireplace, great windows, and vaulted ceiling works well for everyday living or entertaining. Master bedroom has ensuite bath. The 2 guest rooms share a full hall bath. Outside enjoy the large, fenced backyard from the covered back porch. Some new flooring, paint, and ceiling fans. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.